So dear students, welcome back. I'm back with the new tutorial. So in this new tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use different type of attributes with list. So first of all, I'll be covering unordered list. Okay. So this I have typed earlier only because this is already clear to you. So suppose the same way I have taken the font size 7. You can take any font size according to your convenience. So I have written the title here, my friends. For example, okay, I'll make it bold just for a revision. I'll zoom it, okay, and then after this, my friends, this is the title, and now I want to start with UL, okay, as this HTML language is not a case sensitive language. I can use in capital or small, no problem. So UL type. Now here the attribute, this is the attribute. Earlier also I have explained you about the attribute. So this type is a attribute, like earlier I've taught you bg color. This is the attribute of the body tag, and text is attribute of again body tag, and from the font tag, size is the attribute. So in case of UL, type is a attribute. So for example, type, then inverted commas, I'll give it as disk. Now this has to be in small letters because this is a value. We have to follow the syntax given by the HTML. So this should be in small letters because wherever the value what we are giving, that we have to follow as been told by the language or along with the according to the syntax. So I'll close this. UL type is equal to disk. Now I'll type here. I'll just make it little different so that it should be easier for you to view. Now list item, as earlier I've told you, to list the items, my friends. So I'll just give any fictitious friends, triple A, triple B, triple C. Okay, three type of friends I've given here. So I'll close it because this is a container tag. I have to start and I have to close, and then font I have already closed here. Okay, firstly I'll check whether this is working or not. So I'll save this and I'll give the name as type attributes in list dot html. I'll just zoom it. This is already been clear to you. I'll save this just to check whether my program is working or not. So I'll just check type attribute in this one. I'll open this one. Zoom was giving a problem. Now just check it. So here, these dots, what you can see, how it is coming. This is coming due to this type attribute. This type is equal to disk. Okay. So there are three types of attributes what we can use here. One is circle. So I'll change this now. I'll type instead of disk, I can type circle. I'll save it. Now I'll see the change. What I have to do, simply F5 key, function key. You could see the difference here. Here you could see the difference. Here you could see the difference. Earlier disk was there, black dot was there. Now black dot is not there. Okay. So now the third one, the third kind of attribute, type attribute, I am using, I am using scare. So when you will practice at home, please try to use all three types separately so that you should have a proper practice. Again, I click on file and save. I am saving the time so that your tutorial should be small. So again, I'll check now. You could see here, this is scare. Okay, this is scare. So we have used three type of attributes: disk, circle, and scare. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. So now the same way we can use ordered list also. There are three types I've already explained here. So the same example I'll take. I'll copy the same thing. I'll copy the same thing and I'll paste it here. So the same thing I'll copy, and here only the change I'll do, I'll type here OL. In this case, uh, type, now we have to give different type of numbers. Different options are there, and basically different styles. What we have here, five styles. We have five styles. Like an ordered list, we were having only three, and that three were, if you still remember, disk, and then other was scare, disk, scare, and circle. So these three types we have covered: disk, circle, and scare. Now this one. So I'll just delete this. And now in this case, OL I have changed here. Here also we have different types. So here we have five types are there, like capital A, small a, or Roman numbers, capital and small, and simple numbers. If you don't give anything, it comes in number, like in last tutorial I showed you. For example, I'll type just here one. I'll save it. And now if I'll see the result, 1 2 is coming okay. In case of triple C, some problem is there, that I'll check. Triple E, triple B, triple C, and now so here actually what was the error I was telling you? Earlier it was UL, now it's OL. I have given UL tag. That's why I always tell you that firstly, before finalizing the tutorial, you should check what's going on. So I have used OL, that's why the error was coming. Now after saving this, I'll just see whether the result is coming or not. Now just see, result is being shown here. So that means my unordered list is also working and ordered list is also working. And now one another type I can check. I'll use here capital A, inverted commas, capital A, and let's see the difference. I have done here OL type is equal to capital A, and let's see the difference now. You could see here A, B, C. So my list numbering is being changed. Now one more example I can give you. Suppose small I, that means for Roman numbers. You can use capital I also. File and save, and then press F5. You could see here Roman numbers are there. So capital A, small a, two types, Roman numbers, capital and small, two types, and simple numbering. So these are five types. So on this point, I am closing my tutorial. Just try this at home. Try both my tutorials. That will make you clear how to use list and its types, the attributes. So I have just covered today uh, attribute of type. In this, we have covered unordered list and unordered list. In unordered list, we are having disk, circle, and square. And in case of ordered list, we have uppercase letters, lowercase letters, uppercase Roman numbers, lowercase Roman numbers, and sequence of numbers. Okay, so just try this at home. And if any problem, you can discuss with me.